In the dim glow of his study, Jonathan prided himself on his latest acquisition, an antique typewriter that gleamed with an eerie allure. As he sat down that night, the keys seemed to beckon him, whispering promises of unparalleled creativity. With a shiver of excitement, he began to type. Each keystroke resonated with a strange energy, as if the machine lived and breathed beneath his fingers. The story unfolded effortlessly, a tale of a haunted house where shadows crept and walls whispered. Suddenly, the room chilled. Jonathan felt a presence lurking just beyond the edge of his perception. The shadows in his study lengthened unnaturally, curling around him like a lover's embrace. He paused, heart pounding, as a low moan echoed from the hallway. Confused, he rose to investigate. Peering into the darkness, he saw it. An apparition, translucent yet horrifyingly real, mirroring the specter he'd just described. Panic surged as he realized the truth. His words were manifesting. Desperately, he returned to the typewriter, intending to write the ghost away, but the keys jammed under his frantic fingers. The specter advanced, its hollow eyes fixed on him with malevolent intent. In a final, chilling revelation, Jonathan understood. The typewriter didn't just create, it demanded a sacrifice. Its whispers were not of creativity, but of doom.